there! My name is Rika and I am a beauty and lifestyle journalist here at Beauty Insider. And today the question would be, did you know that these are the ingredients that you cannot mix with vitamin C? Now some of you might know that vitamin C is used to repair damaged cells and to brighten pigmented areas. Now there are some ingredients that you should not mix with vitamin C, and one of which would be benzoyl peroxide. Now benzoyl peroxide is used to treat moderate acne. So when you mix vitamin C and benzoyl peroxide, it will counteract each other's effects, which ultimately will cause irritation to the skin. Now retinol is a very well-known compound that's used for anti-aging purposes. So when you combine vitamin C and retinol together, it will cause irritation and peeling. So that's why it's more recommended to use vitamin C in the morning and retinol at night. In fact, when you mix these two ingredients together, it will cause higher risk of UV damage. The next ingredient would be AHAs and BHAs. Now as you know, AHAs and BHAs are actually chemical exfoliants, which is very bad for you to mix with vitamin C. And ultimately it will cause irritation and it will make your skin very uncomfortable. So it's best that you separate these two ingredients. Like for example, vitamin C, you can use it in the morning, and AHAs and BHAs, you should definitely use it like possibly in a week, twice or thrice. Last but not least, the combination between vitamin C and niacinamide is pretty bad as well. So niacinamide helps to build protein and it helps reduce the size of the pores. But if you mix these two ingredients together, the niacinamide will take out all the good properties that the vitamin C has, which ultimately will cause redness and trigger breakouts. So remember, do not mix these ingredients with vitamin C because it's going to be very harmful to your skin. But hey, stay tuned for more Did You Know by Beauty Insider, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!